This is some gymnastics. My cartwheel. That is a slow cartwheel with a fasty split. And if you want to do a fast cartwheel, you kind of give it a little jump. If you want to do kind of medium, then just do up the split first. If you just want to do slow, then just put your hands down to make sure that you're doing that with the cartwheel. If you want to do a slow cartwheel, put your hands down and take over. Yeah, I always do my sassy little split most of the time. If you want to do a medium cartwheel, now I'm talking about like a right, I'm talking the speed of the cartwheel. Medium cartwheel would be, and then a fast cartwheel would be some. Like, you don't have to learn like me. I like this, people don't like this, people like this, people like you don't know. I don't care how you learn. It doesn't really matter. But I'll be right back, so hold that thought. Okay, I'm back. So next is my round off. That was my medium round off. I gave my split first. But here is my slow round off. Here is my fast round off. Okay. If you want to kind of give your round off something that nobody's really seen before, then let go when you're fixing to land and land like this and just jump back up. Okay, so here that is. I'm going to do a slow motion so that way you can see how I did it. Okay, so that's my cartwheel, my round off. Next is probably my jumps. Okay, I'm going to do the foot out, foot in. Okay, I don't even know what it's called, but I know I can do it, so whatever. I messed up on that one. Try again. Try this again. See if I stretched it or not. Okay. That was kind of better. If you want to practice on doing that, you can do the 3 at a time, which is you just kind of do little ones, so it comes right there, you know, in the back still. But, yeah, so that's my cartwheel round up in my jump. Now tuck. Okay. So next is the back bend. So everybody knows how to do a back bend, so I don't have to teach you. Well, people should know how, but we're not going to get started on that. So here's my back bend. Oh crap, I messed up. Sometimes you mess up, sometimes you just gotta try again. You're professionals mess up, it doesn't really matter. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. That was some gymnastics. Bye!